Yep, you did. You clicked it. It's another one, Ocean and Jayla TV. You know what I'm saying? But right now, we just chilling. We at school. What y'all doing at school, Ocean and Jayla? We trying to get signed up and enrolled to learn Thai because we need our education visas. That's the visa that we get. We decided to get the education visa instead of the DTV visa just for now so we can make sure this is exactly what we're doing, that this is going to be a longevity thing. Here's a mic in case you wanted it. In case it's going to be a longevity thing and stuff like that. So we're going to kick it for a little bit. We haven't decided on a school or where exactly we're getting our education visas from. It might be here. It might still be from the Muay Thai gym. We're not going to go with the Bangkok labs, fight lab. Shout out the Bangkok fight lab though. But we ain't going with them only because they don't offer the education visa. They only offer the DTV visa, which is for 5 years. Like I said, it's cool, but as of right now, that's not what we might not be here forever. We might not be here for 5 years. We might stay here for 1 year, decide to go somewhere else or something like that. So to avoid limiting ourselves and just jumping all the way into it like we did with our condo, like we shouldn't have, we're gonna get the education visa, see how to do a little year program, and then go from there. You know what I mean? Just smarter for both of us, longevity wise. So we're not rushing into it. How you feel what I just said?
I feel good.
Nothing to chime into him?
Yeah.
I said nothing to chime into him. He said yeah.
Oh, no.
And so yeah, we got a tour through a couple of them though. Same thing with the Muay Thai classes. So after here, we're going to a Muay Thai school to see how we see which one we prefer. I got 4 right now: 2 Thai language schools and 2 Muay Thai schools. So got a good little video for y'all, and we're gonna see which one. Jayla cool with both, so I can tell she going both ways. One day she feel like she wanna learn Thai, like the language. The next day she wanna learn Muay Thai to fight. Okay, they're calling us, y'all. You're saying what?
Yeah, we have 2 types for the ED visa course.
Okay.
The first one is a group lesson full time. You study Monday to Friday, 3 hours a day. There is the duration of ED visa, 6 months and 11 months that you can choose. Which one do you prefer?
What you think, babe? 11 months. Oh, you looking at both?
Yeah.
If you have any questions, ask her, babe.
I know. I don't have any questions. Yeah. So for the ED visa, you need to go for the visa extension every 3 months. It means that you need to be back to the school every 3 months to get the visa document and then go to submit it in person at the immigration by yourself.
Okay.
But we will help preparing all the documents for you.
Okay.
So if you choose the 11 months, it means that you need to go for the visa extension around 3 times.
Okay. What's the difference in these?
It's the course. For this one, it's optional for you. This is an online class. Study only 2 days per week, but 3 hours the same per day. The difference is that we use different textbook. Because for the full time, I would recommend you to go for this one, as you can see that you pay the same price, but the hour of study is different, totally different. Yeah. So with this easy book 1 and easy book 2, it's like you only learn the tips of the Thai language.
Okay, so you don't learn the whole.
Yeah, you don't learn the whole.
With this, you learn
but
everything.
This one, you learn everything. You learn from the beginner until you reach advanced level. But just to let you know that this is the price. The price you can see here. This is just a minimum charge, which means that this 18,800 baht include only 2 credits for you to study. If you want to study more, you need to pay more.
So what do you mean? Like, so how many?
So, for example, if you choose this one, 11 months, right? That's what you aim for.
Yes.
Yeah. Right here, we say the 4 months, 4 level. Minimum, 4 level continuously. It means that during this package, when you got the ED visa, you need to study 4 levels continuously. After you finish 4 level, which is 4 months. On 5th month, if you want to study more, you need to pay like a regular student, 8,000 per level.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this price is just a minimum charge for study.
Okay.
So once we reach to level 4, we have to start.
8,000 baht per month.
Yes, around 8,000 baht.
8, 16, 48, 48. Okay, I see. That's why. Still not bad though. Okay.
But just to let you know, you can stay in Thailand 11 months.
Can't or can?
Can.
Okay.
You can.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You can stay in Thailand for 11 months,
Okay.
but you study only 4 months. It means that the rest 7 months is up to your choice.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay.
You can study more if you want to learn more. You don't have to pay more if you don't want to study more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because if not the old way of education visa, if you want to apply for 11 months, it means that you need to study 11 months.
All right, y'all. So it's official. We done signed up for school. Showing the book real quick. It's official. We are now Thai students.
My book is pink.
You gotta open it up and show them how it looks inside. Cause when she opened it, she got sad. She said, "Oh my God, there's so much work." Now watch how we start speaking Thai though. Watch how daily y'all like, man, y'all speak Thai for real? Yes, we gonna speak Thai for real.
This is what we know so far. Sawadika, Kafuka, Honam, Chai Mai. What else do we know?
Mabitraika.
Traika.
What else? Call me in the eye.
No, you don't even know what they say.
Yeah, here you go. Look, you're doing too much. You know what they say. All right, so yeah, we official though, and we got our education visas, so we are now officially Thai citizens. Yep, welcome to Thailand for us. America, it's been real. We'll be back soon to visit. But yeah, man, we ain't gonna make the video too long. Just checking in with y'all. We're now official Thai citizens, and we just feel good to be locked in, and we got so much more adventures and journeys to come. And yes, we're in school together. There still will be no break. There still will be no Ocean and Jayla time separate. All that means is we gotta wake up earlier and go to the gym now. Right?
Wait, no.
Yes.
No, yeah.
Cause school
Start at 2.
There you go. And so as long as we're in the gym by 8 in the morning every day, we good. I hope they serve food. Don't they serve food? Hell no. I eat too. I eat the Thai school food. And we don't gotta wear a uniform either.
I don't know, but I want to make sure I got some good outfits for school, y'all.
We do need some good school outfits for sure.
Some sweaters.
It seems the best time to wear a striped sweater
I'm done.
is all the time. One with the collar. All right, that's it, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and Sawadee Krap.
Sorry, Kaya.